Hey, it's Niki Medlin here in Sarasota. If you're interested in new construction, these videos are going to save you a ton of time. I tour new construction communities, model homes, and neighborhoods across the Suncoast area so you can narrow things down before you ever get on a plane. And if you like what you see, reach out by text or email to get current pricing, incentives, and availability within the communities. Now let's go take a look. Today we're touring Beachwalk by Manasota Key, which is a resort-style community in Englewood. I'm going to walk you through the location, the amenities, the pricing, and who this community is a great fit for. Beachwalk is a master-planned pulte community that will have around 1,700 homes spread across 765 acres, allowing for large lakes, preserve areas, and open space. So even though it's a large community, it never feels crowded. Beachwalk is located just off Englewood Road south of Tamiami Trail, which, fun fact, is called Tamiami because it runs between Tampa and Miami. The heart of the community is the 11,500 square foot clubhouse that serves as the main social hub. The community has a full-time lifestyle director who organizes activities, clubs, and social events throughout the year. Inside, residents have access to a state-of-the-art fitness center along with 2 movement studios for classes like aerobics, dance, and other group workouts. The pool area here is truly resort style, featuring a tropical saltwater pool, lap lanes, and a heated spa. Everything in this community is designed to encourage people to be outside and stay active. And if staying active is important to you, Beachwalk offers 10 pickleball courts, 5 tennis courts, and 6 bocce ball courts. The HOA covers all of the amenities, gated security, and each homeowner's lawn and garden care, including mowing, fertilizing, and irrigation. That makes this a very maintenance-free, lock-and-leave lifestyle, which is especially convenient for those who live here part-time. Dining is another standout feature here. There is a poolside tiki bar and a full-service restaurant and bar. There are 2 dedicated dog parks for enjoying some off-leash time with your furry friends. Want to exercise your green thumb? Beachwalk has its own community garden. It's perfect for growing fresh herbs and veggies or just enjoying the Florida sunshine. Beachwalk is conveniently located just 2.5 miles from Manasota Beach, close to local shopping and restaurants, and just a short distance from Welland Park, Venice, and Sarasota. This community offers both attached villas and detached single-family homes, appealing to a wide range of buyers. Prices in the community begin in the upper 300s and go up over $1.5 million depending on home size, type, and lot. That range makes Beachwalk appealing to a lot of different buyers, from those looking to simplify to those looking for a larger luxury home in a resort-style community. If you're looking for resort-style living, newer construction, maintenance-free living, an active social community, and close proximity to the beach, Beachwalk is a great fit. However, if you're looking for short-term rental opportunities or larger lots, this may not be the best option for you. If this community feels like it could fit the Suncoast lifestyle you're looking for, be sure to check out my next videos where I walk you through some of the more popular models here at Beachwalk.